Hey everyone, this is Ashwiin. Welcome back to my next video tutorial on Java programming. In this tutorial, you will learn the applications of basic arithmetic operations in Java. There are 5 basic operators in arithmetic operations for Java. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. To perform an addition operation, we use the plus symbol. For subtraction, we would use the dash symbol. For multiplication, we'll use an asterisk symbol. To perform a division operation, we would use a / symbol. For modulo operation, we would use the percentage symbol. Modulo is used to get the remainder of a division operation. The order of arithmetic operation is same as what we have learned in basic math. Operations in round bracket have higher precedence compared to operations outside of the round brackets. The multiplication, division, and modulo operation has higher precedence than addition and subtraction. In a scenario where the multiplication, division, and the modulo operation is on the same expression, these will result performing the operations from left to right, as the operator on the left has a higher precedence. This would be the same for addition and subtraction, being on the same expression. Let's head on to NetBeans and write the codes together for practice. Create a new Java class from the existing project we have created. You may also create a new project to create a new Java class. I will name mine as Arithmetic Operations. We will start by declaring the main method first. Let's write a print statement. We will not require double quote between the round brackets as we are performing an arithmetic operation. Let's start with addition. 23 plus 25 in my case. For addition, we will use the plus symbol. Next, do the same for subtraction. 40 minus 35. For subtraction, we will use the dash symbol. Now let's do for multiplication. 5 multiplied by 10. For multiplication would be an asterisk symbol. Next, let's do it for division. 40 divided by 8. For division, we'll use the / symbol. Lastly, let's do it for modulo. 70 modulus 3. For modulo, you would use the percentage symbol. Modulo is used to get the remainder of a division. I would suggest you to have a habit of writing comments. If you would be keeping your Java codes for references in the future, it will give you a better understanding of your code when you need to refer to them. Run your Java class and make sure it runs with no errors. Awesome, we have come to the end of this video. By now, you would have learned the signs for arithmetic operation and the precedence on the order of operation. I have prepared some quiz which are meant to help you and test your understanding after watching my video. The links are in the video description below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I would appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications on my next video. Thank you and have an awesome day everyone.